Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a headband, I'm not doing it for fashion. I'm doing it because I have... Hi! First of all, it's supposed to be down more. Hi. I'm doing it because I have 1,000,001 little baby hairs that I guess is like postpartum hair regrowth when my hair fell out, now it's growing back. So it's like a couple inches long and it's just like all these tiny little pieces of hair that will not go into my ponytail, keep falling in my face. And so this is my solution. This is like a new one that I bought. I just bought it the other day. It's by the brand Blom, B-L-O-M. And they're actually really nice. I have one other one. It's like a tealy color, but they actually stay on my head pretty well. A lot of time these just like slip off my head, but these actually stay on pretty well as long as I keep it like down more. I cover my hairline and then it kind of stays on better, but this has been great. My hair's out of my face. You guys know that I love my hair to be out of my face. And now it is. So yeah, starting the vlog at 5 o'clock on a Wednesday. I don't know why, I just haven't vlogged the beginning of this week, so yeah, and tomorrow I'm kind of excited because I think I might be finally going to Marshall's. If Greg finishes work early enough and I get Noah in bed on time, then maybe I'll be able to go to Marshall's after he goes into bed, which is going to be amazing because they just opened up here on Monday. They had been closed the whole time, you know, from coronavirus and everything, but they opened back up and I'm so excited to go. But let me show you what I had to do today. Do you want to show them what Mommy had to do today? You want to show them? What did we have to do? Yeah, let's show them. We had to put up a gate by the stairs because you climbed all the way to the top, didn't you? Yes, you did. With me behind him. I kind of let him do that, so I asked for that. I asked for him to do that because I let him go to the top. I wanted to see if he would go all the way to the top, and of course he did. So now that gate used to be here, blocking him into the living room so I could keep him out of the kitchen. But I had to order another gate, and I figured it was more important for him to not climb up the stairs when I wasn't looking. So yeah, I moved that gate to the stairs so that he is safe and I don't have to worry about that because I've already forgotten about it like a couple times, and he bolts to the stairs like so fast, and as soon as he sees me coming he climbs up even faster. So yeah, I had to block the stairs off, but like I said, I ordered another gate, but it's not going to be here till July 2nd and that's like a few days away, so we can't be without a stairs gate. What is the matter? You want me to pick you up? You want to say hi? You're upside down. We're upside down. He's probably so confused here. Is that better? Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, it's 5 o'clock. I don't know what we're doing for dinner tonight. Probably just gonna make the kids random things that they will eat, and I'm trying to eat a light dinner because Greg brought home lava cakes the other day from the bakery by his work. He's going to work like every other day now. Like he goes to work and then he works from home, and he goes to work and he works from home, and he like alternates. So he brought home these lava cakes, and he had brought one home like a week or so ago, and I had one. It was so good, and he just randomly bought more. So yeah, I need to eat it tonight, and I said I was gonna eat it last night, but then I was too full after dinner and I couldn't eat it. So I'm trying to eat a light dinner tonight so I can have that. What? What do you want? What? Cereal? It's empty. It's empty. Oh no, Madison's nail polish. What are you gonna do with it, huh? Are you hungry? It's actually probably about his dinner time. He usually eats a little bit earlier than we do, so it's like 5:15 almost. So I guess I'll get you some dinner. Noah learned how to ride on the fire truck, but he keeps trying to go on it the wrong way. Oh, you okay? What are you doing? Yeah? Kids are asleep and I skipped dinner so I could have this. Well, I kind of skipped dinner. I had half a hot dog, a couple bites of Jesus oatmeal. I got a lava cake and ice cream. It's so good. It's the next day now. It's Thursday now. And I just want to mention that ice cream thing that I had last night wasn't even that good. Like, I definitely would have liked cereal for dinner better. than that. So I don't know, the first time I had it, it was like really good, and that time it tasted like too chocolatey. Like, anyway, I am really excited today because I just went out earlier and picked up a patio table set from somebody on Facebook. She's moving to Arizona, so they're getting rid of everything, and they had a really nice patio set, and I got an awesome deal on it. At least I think I did. I got it for $150. I'm gonna show you. Well, I'm gonna go set it up. You'll probably see me like cleaning it, whatever. But I'm gonna set it up. It's a glass table top with 6 chairs and the cushions, and then she even threw in the deck box that she was keeping the cushions in, like when it rained. She gave me that, and she gave me also like a little fire, I don't even know what it's called, like it's one of those like tiki torch things, but it looks kind of different, that goes in a hole in the middle, like you could put an umbrella in there. Yeah, I'm gonna show them the table. So I'll show you the table. But here is the table. Don't mind Noah's diaper. I was gonna put that on him before as a swim diaper, but I ended up just letting him be naked. But what do you think, buddy? You like it? Don't slam on it, okay? Because it's glass. But it's pretty nice. Like, it's not even rusted at all. Like, I don't see any rust on it. It's just, and it's pretty clean too. I think she took like really good care of it. I'm gonna wipe it down. This is like for an umbrella, so she gave me this, but that's also where the tiki thing goes in. But down there I have all the rest of it. So it's like 6 chairs, they stack, and then they also like recline, and all the cushions, and then the deck box. So yeah, oh, another thing is still in my car. The tiki thing is still in my car, and there's also 2 like ottomans with cushions. So I got a lot of stuff for a little bit of money, I think. So I'm really excited about it. So I'm going to clean off the table and bring some of the chairs up here. I'm only going to bring 4, I think, for right now, and the other 2, I guess I'll put them in the in the shed probably. But yeah. So I got our table all set up. Here's what it looks like. Ta-da! It's pretty nice. I mean, I really like it. I think. Hi, Chase. The chairs are really comfortable. The only thing is they're kind of big. So Noah. I see him. We have 6 of them. I think what we're gonna do is keep 2 of them up here, so Greg and I have like comfy seats, and then stop, Chase. I think we're just gonna get like smaller chairs from somewhere, I don't know where, and ones without cushions. But yeah, that is what it looks like. So she gave me the umbrella stand, and then this is like the little tiki torch thing that she gave me. But overall, I think I got a pretty good deal. Table should last us a while, as long as nobody breaks it. No touching the stove. But we are gonna eat outside. I am making dinner. But yeah, I am making dinner. I'm grilling some chicken. We're gonna have some instant mashed potatoes and canned corn, because that's all I have. I don't have any fresh corn. So, but we're gonna eat outside for the first time, so it should be really nice. And it's nice and shady. And yeah. Good morning, guys. So it is Friday now. It is 10:30. I have Noah in for his nap. Chase is over here playing with kinetic sand. And I think I'm going to take the kids to my mom's house today, go swimming. Greg sprayed the backyard last night for weeds. We have like so many weeds in the backyard, it's out of control. So he sprayed that, so we have to stay off the grass today. So since we can't really go outside and play today, and it's gonna be really nice today, I thought I would take them to my mom's house, go swimming, and I'm gonna try to put Noah for a nap over there. We set up my brother helped me set up a crib that I had actually gotten for Chase like last year or the year before or something, and I never ended up setting it up. He never used it. I got it off, very nice, buddy. I got it off Facebook. I think it was for free, actually. So we set that up in my old bedroom at my mom's house, and it has like a mattress. I got the mattress from Amazon. It was like less than $100, I think, for the crib mattress. He has a mattress pad, he has sheets, he has everything. Okay, you don't need to show me that. Are you okay? Don't cut your finger off.
I'm not.
You can't do that with a knife. Just so we all know, he has a butter knife. That's it. Because he's cutting sand. Don't do that. Don't slam it like that, Chase. So one thing I want to do before we go is clean off this hutch that I have in the kitchen. It is just becoming like a catch-all for everything. It's just always cluttered with everything. So I'm gonna try something new, and I'm going to make like a junk drawer in here, or like a project drawer. So I'm gonna take some of the stuff out of here that I'm not using right now and just use this drawer to keep things that we're using, because we're like doing a lot of things to our house, so we constantly have like tools out and just little random things that we're using or we keep needing that we don't want to put away because we keep needing it. But I also just don't want to have it just sitting out on this hutch because it looks so ugly and so cluttered, and I just want this to be nice looking. So take that stuff, put it in the drawer. Hopefully Noah doesn't get into the drawer. If he does, I'm gonna have to try to lock it somehow. But yeah, I was watching, I watched another YouTuber. Who was it actually who talked about this? I watch a couple like minimalist YouTubers. Old World Home is her YouTube name, and she's actually not a minimalist YouTuber, but I do watch some other minimalist YouTubers. But I got this idea from one of her recent videos where she said she has a project basket that she keeps on top of the refrigerator, and that's where she keeps all like random things like that just keep getting left out, but that she still needs to use, and it keeps it off the countertops and off of wherever, so it's not cluttered. So yeah, I can't put anything on top of our refrigerator because we have cabinets up there, so I can't put a basket up there, so I had to figure something else out. So this is what I'm going to try, and hopefully that will help me keep this shelf like not a cluttered mess all the time. Okay, so I got it all cleared off. I dusted it and it looks so much better. So here is the project drawer. I don't have very much in here right now, but just a couple things. I have some scraper tools. I've been using this a lot on the wall. So since I'm always grabbing that, I kept that in here. I just keep tape in here because we always use this for random stuff, projects, crafts with the kids and stuff. Painter's tape I kept because I'm going to be using that in the kitchen really soon. Hopefully really soon. And then this is Greg's. It's for the weed whacker, and he had it on here for a couple days. I don't know what he's doing with it. I don't know if he wants to keep it in the house or if it's going to go in the shed, but just to get it off the top of it, I just put it in the drawer for now. So yeah. So we are getting ready to go. Just gave the kids lunch. Everybody had peanut butter and jelly except Noah, who had sunflower butter and jelly. I'm making, can I have that for oatmeal on the floor? Thank you very much. I am making myself a chicken and spinach quesadilla. It's gonna be so yummy. And I have like some dressing, like some chipotle dressing that I'm gonna eat it with. This is just chicken from last night that I'm using, and spinach that I got, and I haven't even opened it yet. I got it like a week ago, so I gotta use that. But
No.
yeah, gonna have some lunch, and then I got our bag packed with our bathing suits and sunscreen and all of that. And then we will be out of here.
Mommy, I want to be in the video.
You want to be in the video?
Yeah.
We're at Wendy's getting some dinner. Gonna go back, bring it back to my mom's house, have dinner there, and then go home after that.
Wait,
So,
Mom?
after we eat, yeah.
Why?
Because you can't stay at Mima's forever.
Why? Why you want to stay on me?
Hello. Hi. Thank you. Thank you. We good. Alright guys, so it is the next day now. I just wanted to update you yesterday. Stupid camera, so my screen keeps flipping. Noah did not sleep at my mom's house, and I figured that he wouldn't. It's just like, you know, it's a new place. He's never been in that room before, so I didn't expect him to sleep. But hopefully I can get him sleeping in there soon, because that would just be really nice to be able to give him a nap when I'm over there. My mom has blackout curtains that she's gonna put up because it was pretty bright in there, so it definitely needs to make it darker. And then, I don't know, hopefully that'll work out. But I am about to get started on something. Saturday now, by the way, if you're wondering what day it is. I'm gonna get started on something. I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna work on. I'm gonna try to get this wall ready to paint. So I moved some stuff out of the way. I wiped the whole wall down, make sure it was clean. And yeah, there's like a lot of spots on the wall that need to be like patched up. I don't know what they did here, but there's just a lot of marks, and then there's like this over here. But yeah, so I need to fix all that up, and then I'm gonna paint it, and then at least I can have this section painted, because there's no wallpaper back here, I'm pretty sure, because you can see, I mean, I don't see any wallpaper back here. And there's this mark too, where I don't see any, so. Eventually, I want to do a backsplash, and I was before thinking about doing like one of those stick-on backsplashes, but I think I just want to get like a real tile backsplash at some point. But until then, I'm just gonna paint it, and yeah, so that at least that can look nice behind me, or you know, in the kitchen. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys later. Bye.